My cue's here. I'm over here at Riptide, and with Kevin, you're going to tell us a little bit about these Sharkbanz.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
So Sharkbanz, what are they? They reduce risk by shark attack with a magnetic. They create a magnetic field. Excuse me. So
it's a tough one, that magnetic
field. No,
you got to be in the field to say it.
No, it's horrible. I've had it's been an interesting morning. So anyway, they create a magnetic field that makes many sharks that are the kind that are more aggressive. Shark attacks typically occur when a shark's just checking you out.
Right.
They're not actually coming in to kill.
Right.
They're coming in to check you out. It's just that they have teeth.
Yeah.
So they come in, and this creates such a field that they're familiar with. They're very tuned into magnetics.
Right.
This makes them feel really uncomfortable.
Now, how far away does it start to make them feel uncomfortable?
Call it 15, 20 feet.
15, so one shark length.
So if they, as they start, exactly. And if they start to get close to you, they're like, it feels really uncomfortable. They don't like it.
Yeah.
So they turn away.
So they don't even want to taste.
Exactly. So is it permanent proof? No, because as the shark comes in and realizes that negative, nasty feeling isn't going to do anything.
Right.
There's no teeth behind it, so to speak.
Yeah, just checking it out.
But most shark attacks occur when they're just checking you out. So you wear something like this on your ankle or your wrist. Right?
Whichever part tends to get bit most often.
If you're a surfer, you're going to wear it on your ankle, right?
Now, does that come out of the thing? Can we show it?
It does, but pull your camera away because the magnetic field will, if you keep it away, it will.
Oh, yeah.
The white strap, this goes right on your ankle. Very easy to put on, or your wrist. I got to be careful. I don't want to touch my Bluetooth.
No.
So these come in.
Well, put it back in before we mess up the whole thing.
This box is actually, it's a sealed box. It seals against allowing the magnetics to go through. So you have a place to store your Sharkbanz, so it's not near your computer or something else. But yeah, it's pretty much permanent. They're magnets.
Now, how long? Now, is there a battery or something that goes in there? Or?
No, it's all through magnetics.
Okay.
It's a magnet. It's a magnet of a particular type. So when you buy them
from Crypto.
Yeah, exactly. It's probably a kryptonite. The manufacturer really needs to tell me where they get these. It's not
another planet.
But it's been on Discovery Channel. It's been on National Geographic. It's proven effective, right? People like to ask you, have you ever tested it? Well, I'm still here. So, you are still here. I am still here. So, I can tell you that it's been tested numerous times. You can find videos on the internet which people might chum the water or the rest of it. Like I say, this is more, it creates a field, a continuous magnetic field.
Right.
That will just basically make it
stop that first round of looking around.
Yeah, and they move on.
Yeah.
So it's not like they say, oh,
they're gonna go look at that guy without that band.
Exactly. Exactly. So that's how it works out.
That's motivation too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And if they want more information about it, where would they go to?
They can go to riptidescuba.net.
Riptidescuba.net.
Yep, riptidescuba.net. We're a national manufacturer rep firm that represents a lot of quality manufacturers throughout the United States, and we serve the dive community, dive shops, and commercial diving as well.
Right.
So riptidescuba.net. They can find out who to talk to. There's a whole list in terms of where your region is and which reps you call, and we'll take care of you.
Perfect. Thank you.